talk to us about camping.
Oh.
Camping. Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up. Big thumbs up.
1, 2.
Hey guys, this is That Rogers Family, and our goal is to inspire, encourage, and empower you to do family on purpose.
If you're from Oregon,
trees.
You should be proud because it's gorgeous.
Trees.
Lots of trees. It's ridiculous. You cross the border and it's just like, oh, we're in Oregon now.
Yeah.
It's almost like the trees know they're in Oregon.
Yes.
We have 2 California babies and 1 Oregon baby. Which one do you think it is? Oregon is really the place that brought out in us adventure, and we gained a love of hiking and exploring, and it really taught us that we can pretty much do anything we want with kids as long as we have the right expectations and the right amount of patience. So we took that lesson and applied it on this week's adventure. While we were up in Oregon serving at a church up there, and we've stayed in touch with a lot of people from there. A lot of them watch our videos, and we love you guys for doing that. It's been years since we've seen the Larson family, so we wanted to find a place where we could meet kind of in the middle. So for our road trip stats, this one was daunting, and once again our kids surprised us. They are road warriors.
They did
like
great.
These guys crushed the road trips. We did 700 miles round trip in 13 hours. They did awesome. We stopped maybe, I didn't count the stops, but I think we stopped maybe 6 times, all both ways, all
And
together.
one of them was so I can drone.
That's true. So those are our road trip stats.
Here we go, we're on our way. Lived here in Oregon, you'll get to see the Oregon line. It's coming right around the corner. So that was it. I forgot to push record. Chase, that looks pretty uncomfortable.
Let's go and camping.
I'm not gonna lie, this trip made me a little bit nervous.
Yeah, we're nervous.
We were going into it and we knew we weren't allowed to have campfires. And what is camping without a campfire, really?
That was tough. That was a tough blow.
We've camped before. Usually we've gone by ourselves as a family. We've had someone visit us for just a portion of our trip. But we've never experienced how fun it really is to do a whole camping trip with other people.
What's up, guys? Hey!
It makes me never want to go camping alone again.
This is gonna camp?
This is it. What do you think? Good morning. 7 hours driving will do it to you. All right, and that is how you build a tent. Boom. Oh, Faith is. What's going on, girl? So it's been about 2 years since we've seen these guys that helped us pack and leave Oregon. That was the last time I saw them. And here we are, cooking, hanging out, camping in Oregon. Boom, and check this out. That's what I'm talking about. Genius.
No high chair, no problem.
And the kids were able to just have a blast together the way the kids are supposed to, out in nature, no rules, just fun.
Are you gonna make s'mores? Say hi to the cows.
Baby, could we misbehave a bit more? Never know what's
what's in store when we're rowdy and bold.
What's that?
I've never had a
Can we catch some floating butterflies? Let 'em light our way tonight.
That's so fun.
Because the campsite we originally chose had no running water, we had to make a last minute change and we ended up at the Howard Prairie Lake Resort in Ashland, Oregon. That's a mouthful, but it was beautiful. And the campground is really cool and perfect for families.
Yes.
We could not have ended up with a better last minute switch.
Yeah.
It has a restaurant that's open on the weekends and it has a nice little store in case you forgot something.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it doesn't carry pillows, which is something we forgot.
There's her pillow.
My dad folded it up for me.
And did what?
Put this here. Okay. Made it as a pillow.
Pack pillows. If you're going camping,
What?
with or without kids, pack pillows. In the middle of the lake, there's called Doe Island. Doe Island is generally an island. But right now, it's not. So we took our vans out onto the island and they let us drive out there and swim. And we had a great day out in the middle of the lake on Doe Island.
Standing on the middle of the lake.
Who stole the lake?
I know. The wind. Cue drone footage.
We don't wanna grow old. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we can dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow
There's a few things that keep my wife up late. One of the main things that keep her up late is research. She loves to do research on crazy things, and one of them is the Pacific Crest Trail. She just hears about it and dreams about things like that, and this is one of the things. And we were so close to this Pacific Crest Trail. So if you don't know what it is, it's a trail that goes from Mexico to Canada all the way through, looking at just absolute gorgeous hikes. And it's just one continuous trail all the way through.
Yeah.
And we were really close to it. So we drove over to the Pacific Crest Trail.
One, 2, 3.
Now that he's awake, he's our pace setter.
Oregon right now, there's a ban on all campfires because of the amount of devastation that they've been causing up in Oregon and in Northern California. I was really blown away by how much smoke we drove through.
Oh man.
I guess I just wasn't prepared for that, and I really didn't realize how much the fires are affecting Oregon as well as Northern California, just because we're from California, we hear more about what's affecting our local community.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're widespread.
We just want to take a moment to say thank you to our firefighters. Your families are depending on you, and it's a dangerous job. Thank you so much for working hard to keep us all safe.
Oregon, we love you. Camping, we love you. Larson's, we love you.
Yes, it was an amazing trip. Thank you, Oregon. And again, appreciate you firefighters. Send them a thank you if you get a chance, because they do some good work, and we appreciate you watching. We'll see you next week.
No, it's actually super fun.
I'm glad that he became my buddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later, Oregon.
See you later. Two pretty awesome things about Oregon. No sales tax, and right there, you don't even have to get out of the car to get gas. That's pretty awesome.
A 1-year-old? Who takes a 1-year-old camping?
Ain't done yet?
Nope.
So last one, if you like to help us. Plan out camping.
Ta-da! Just gotta take a break to clean our carpets. Okay.
Is my face crooked? Here, buddy, and the cup. Sing the song.
I need you to say quesadillas on 3. 1, 2.
Bang, bang,